After Broadcom has acquired VMware, it has stopped the free version of VMware ESXi server. Now there is a twist in the game. Broadcom has made it free again from 8.0 update 3 version. In this video, I'll show you how to download it from Broadcom portal. So stay tuned until the end of this video to get all the steps right. Hello everyone, welcome to IoT Frontier. My name is Hariharnath. Without further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. First of all, you need to sign up in Broadcom portal. So search for Broadcom portal. So this is the Broadcom portal. First, you need to register into this Broadcom portal. In my previous video, I have shown how to sign up into Broadcom portal and download VMware Workstation Pro for free. You can check that video from the top right corner or in the description below. So now I'll just click on login to log in into Broadcom portal. So now you need to provide your username and then password. And you can click on this software, mainframe software and or VMware Cloud Foundation, and then click on My Dashboard. So when you are here in the My Dashboard, you can click on My Downloads. And then you can go to the free software downloads. So in this page, you can check in the below that VMware vSphere Hypervisor. You can click on that and click on this. You will see only one release as of now because update 3E that they have provided this as free. So you can click on this and then click on this download button. So now if you want to click on this HTTPS download, it is not allowing. The reason why it is not allowing is you need to agree to this hidden button. So they have made it very tough to even find this. And now you need to click on this. So after that, it will be downloaded. So once it is downloaded, you can see an ISO file will be downloaded. So you can use your removable drive and boot your server with that image in order to install ESXi server. And that's it. You have VMware ESXi server for free. If you found this video informative, please type helpful in the comment section below and smash that like button. Check out my other video on how to install Oracle VirtualBox from the top right corner or in the end screen. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another interesting video.